Hey everybody, and welcome to another Friday with Friends collaboration. I'm going to be doing another bloom with on a 16-inch round canvas, and the colors that I'm going to be using are Master's Touch Prussian Blue, and I've got some Amsterdam Manganese Blue Phthalo, and I've got Golden Ultramarine Violet, and I have a gold that is mixed about 50-50 with Iridescent Gold Deep Fine and Iridescent Bright Gold Fine tube paints by Golden. And my cell activator that I'm using is going to be Oxide Black by Amsterdam and Turquoise Blue by Amsterdam, both mixed about 2 parts to 1 with Australian Floetrol. I'm going to put on some music here. Now this is going to be sped up a little bit. I sped it up about 2 times, but I'm going to put on some music and I will be back with you guys at the end.
You're still with me all the time. Oh. You're still with me all the time. Oh. everywhere to find her. Searched everywhere. Is she a dream or in reality? Whoa, whoa, oh, oh. I'm not the man I once was. I'm drifting like a ship that's lost at sea. When I close my eyes, she's all I see. I can't find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a cardiac arrest. Oh, medic, man down. My heart's got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh Lord. Medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. Oh. When I close my eyes, she's all I see. I can't find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a cardiac arrest. Oh, medic, man down. My heart's got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh, Lord. Medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. Oh, medic, man down. My heart's got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh Lord. Medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. Oh. Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
All right, let me take you guys in for a close-up. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments. I think it turned out pretty cool. And I will have all of the colors that I used and everything listed in the description box below, as well as the link for the playlist. Billy's not going to be with us tonight. She's working 7 days a week, 12 hours a day right now, so she's not able to get any time to make videos, but hopefully we'll have her back next week. But yeah, I think this turned out pretty cool. I like the layers there in that area. You got some pretty cool sails, and there's one area there that looks kind of like boulders floating in it, the way the sails popped up in it. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool. But you guys let me know what you think about it in the comments. Yeah, this area right here, that's pretty cool. And then the layering with that gold in there looks really cool. But let me know what you think about it in the comments, and I want to thank you guys for being here. Make sure and hit that like, subscribe button. Check out the other video in the description, and we'll see you back here next week. Thanks for being here, and take care, guys.